All right, so this is my part 2 on Scorpio moon. All right, so getting back to like what the moon entails. Like because the moon represents your home, it also represents like a sense of security. So like Cancer's or Cancer energy or the moon energy, it likes to be secure. So it's always concerned about its finances. You gotta understand, like, the sign that's opposite of Cancer is Capricorn, which is an earth sign. So earth and water are like they're like sister signs, and that's pretty much like why the moon is exalted in the sign of Taurus, like I said in the previous video, because Taurus is ruled by the planet Venus, and Venus in the second house, like the second house deals with possessions. It deals with like luxury items because it's the physical realm. So you're going to always have like luxurious things. So like that's why the moon is very comfortable in that sign, just for the simple fact that it's going to always like get what it needs or attract what it needs, because Venus deals with like our ability to be able to attract things into our life. But Taurus is directly opposite of what Scorpio energy is. So therefore, it's like we got to look at what Taurus represents and what Scorpio represents. And it's like Scorpio rules over death, sex, and like death as in like transformation of all kinds, like death of anything. But the moon represents like how you intuitively look at the world, like the lens in which like you view from your sixth sense, which is like your first eye, or what we call your third eye, your pineal gland. But yeah, so I kind of have this energy too, just for the simple fact that within Vedic astrology, I have my Sun, my Mercury, and my Venus all in the sign of Cancer, but it's in the 8th house, and Scorpio is the 8th zodiac sign. So therefore, the 8th house and Scorpio energy are like tied with each other. So you gotta also understand that Scorpio is ruled by the planet Mars, and it's also co-ruled by the planet Pluto. So Pluto brings like transformations of all kinds, because you gotta understand that Pluto wasn't even a real planet at first, and it wasn't even deemed a planet. It was like a dwarf planet. Pluto, that's why it represents death, because it's like it's not even deemed as a planet anymore. So it represents like transformation. So like Scorpios always are transforming and constantly going through things. So like you probably constantly going through like, or at least in your early childhood, you probably constantly went through issues of like moving a lot. Like issues with the mom as well, because the moon is related to like your relationship with your mother as well. But like I say that this energy, it gives you like super radar vision, because Scorpio is like a medium energy. But like I said, with that stinger, it makes you very lethal when it comes to how you emotionally react to certain things, because the moon represents like how you react to stuff, whereas the sun is how you act, and then Mars is how you go about expressing your actions.